How to use Ahrefs content and SEO platform properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Ahrefs is one of the most powerful SEO and content tools available, yet most beginners make mistakes that cost traffic, rankings and time. You won't believe how simple errors can block growth, but once you fix them, Ahrefs becomes a game changer. A major mistake is ignoring keyword intent. Beginners often chase high-volume keywords without considering what users actually want. Ahrefs allows you to analyze keyword difficulty, search volume, and SERP features. By focusing on intent, like targeting how-to queries for tutorials or best queries for reviews, your content performs better and converts more. Another common error is neglecting competitor analysis. Ahrefs Site Explorer shows competitor backlinks, top pages, and organic traffic. Many beginners skip this and end up creating content in isolation. Studying competitors reveals content gaps, backlink opportunities, and strategies that work in your niche. For example, noticing a competitor ranking for a specific topic allows you to create a more comprehensive or updated guide. Backlink mistakes are costly too. Ahrefs helps you identify high-quality link opportunities, but beginners often target low-authority or spammy sites. This can hurt SEO rather than help. Focus on relevant, authoritative sources to build a strong link profile. Intent audit is another area many overlook. Ahrefs Content Explorer can identify underperforming pages. Beginners often ignore these, missing opportunities to refresh, merge, or optimize content. Updating old posts with new insights or linking internally boosts traffic and rankings. Lastly, beginners often fail to track progress. Ahrefs Rank Tracker and alerts notify you of changes in rankings and backlinks. Without monitoring, you may not realize when content needs adjustment or when a link is lost. Regularly reviewing these metrics ensures your SEO strategy remains proactive and data-driven. To use Ahrefs properly, focus on keyword intent, analyze competitors, prioritize high-quality backlinks, audit existing content and track results consistently. Avoiding these common mistakes ensures you maximize traffic, authority, and ROI from your SEO efforts.